Who manages DNS records for a domain? Have you ever wondered who is in charge of managing DNS records for a domain? This is a key question for anyone involved in web hosting or domain management. Let's break it down in simple terms. DNS, which stands for Domain Name System, is like the phone book of the Internet. It translates domain names into IP addresses, allowing browsers to load websites. The management of DNS records is determined by the domain's nameservers. These nameservers are specialized servers that handle DNS queries and direct them to the correct records. So, who manages these records? It all depends on where the nameservers point. If your domain's nameservers are set to your registrar's DNS hosting service, such as GoDaddy, then you manage your DNS records through their platform. This means you would log into your account with the registrar and use their tools to add, edit, or delete records like A, CNAME, MIX, TXT, and NS records. On the other hand, if your domain is registered with one company but uses nameservers from a different DNS hosting provider, the management happens through that provider. For example, if you registered your domain with one company but are using a web hosting service for DNS, you would need to log into that hosting provider's control panel to manage your records. Some domain owners choose to use third-party DNS management services or cloud-based DNS platforms. These services often offer advanced features like automation and enhanced security. To use these services, you would need to update your domain's nameservers to point to the third-party provider, who would then take over DNS record management. Managing DNS records involves several tasks. You might need to verify domain ownership by adding TXT records. You could also configure email routing using MIX records or direct web traffic with A or CNAME records. Proper management of these records is essential for ensuring that your website is accessible, your email functions correctly, and your domain remains secure. In summary, the party that manages your DNS records is determined by the DNS hosting service indicated by your domain's nameservers. This could be your domain registrar or a different DNS hosting provider. Understanding who manages your DNS records is important for troubleshooting issues, making updates, or transferring services. Always check where your nameservers point to know where to manage your DNS records effectively.